Companies like SOLIDWORKS need to build it right the first time. This means clearly communicating through SOLIDWORKS drawings, and sometimes these files get huge. For 3 years, detailing mode has been evolving. You can open even your largest prints in just seconds, and work on them without the overhead of loading any parts or assemblies, or even having them on your machine. You can add and edit notes, snap a missing balloon, organize sheets, add dimensions, and set tolerances. New in 2022, you can insert whole tables and standard views from the View palette. And when you're done, you can save and even print a completely accurate PDF. But what about older drawings that haven't been accessed in years? In 2022, SOLIDWORKS has extended the ability to open any prior version of a drawing right into detailing mode. This is great because you'll always be able to open a drawing even if you don't have the referenced models. So, what else is new with drawings? How about the new In Context menu? This pop-up lets you toggle a circular dimension, diameter, radius, or linear. For turn parts, the new symmetric linear diameter dimension will come in handy. These are double dimensions, which we can apply in a single click to a silhouette edge, or in a batch with multiple axis mode. This new annotation type allows for a clean selection view by eliminating redundant leader lines. Geometric dimensioning and tolerancing allows for functional definition of component features and allowances, so I can clearly illustrate manufacturing intent. SOLIDWORKS 2022 introduces a brand new interface to define geometric tolerance indicators. The intuitive step-by-step input is easier than ever. Specification, zone, feature, filter, characteristic, modifiers, and datum references. Add adjacent and auxiliary indicators, text to create stacked and composite indicators. Even erase your mistakes. In a design like this, I have many unique weldment parts, each with its own cut list. This is rich data. But how do I roll that up into one assembly level table? With SOLIDWORKS 2022, Detailed Cut List option. The Detailed Cut List option is available for bill of materials of all types. This means you can aggregate multiple cut lists into an assembly BOM, providing you with more flexibility and depth of control. Predefined views are also useful to give new drawings a standardized layout. Now, in 2022, the flat pattern view is available, and there's a new option to toggle bend line visibility, increasing your ability to automate documentation for sheet metal parts. Proper documentation is a key component of bringing your designs to life. Add clarity to your drawings, share your intent, and finish these tasks faster with SOLIDWORKS 2022.